Today we are going to solve for x, but we're going to have some silly things happen today. All right, so let's start with this first one here. The first step is that we want to distribute if we can. There's no parentheses though, so we're going to skip that step. So next we want to combine like terms. We have a 2x and another x, so that is 3x. And then we still have that 8 over there on the left. On the right, we have 10x minus 7x, which is 3x, and we still have that 9. Then we need to get the x's on one side, or the variables on one side. So I'm going to subtract 3x, and I'll do that over here as well. All right, so this is worth 0, so that's nothing, but I'm still left with the 8 over here. This is also worth 0, but I'm still left with a 9. Uh-oh, that says 8 equals 9. That's not true. So that means there is no possible number that x can be that would work, okay? So like if we replaced, I'm just going to go to this simplified step. If we replace this x with a 2, we would get 3 times 2, which is 6, and 6 plus 8, which is 14. And if we replace this one with a 2, we have 3 times 2, which is 6, and then 6 plus 9, which is 15. And 14 does not equal 15. So no matter what we choose for x, it's not going to work out. So that means it's called no solution. There's no possible value for x. You can just abbreviate that today with the letters NS, no solution. All right, let's try this next silly one. All right, so we want to distribute first. I'm just going to quickly change our colors here. Okay, so we're going to take the 2 and we're going to multiply it by both of the terms inside the parentheses. 2 times 3 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4, and that one has the variable x with it, minus 1. And then we'll keep everything over here on the right. All right, then for the like terms, on the left we have a 6 and then minus 1, so that is 5. All right, so then we need to get the variables on one side. So I'm going to minus 4x to get rid of that. I'll do the same thing over here to keep it balanced. All right, so this is worth 0, but we still have 5 over here. This is also worth 0, and we still have a 5 over here. 5 equals 5. Well, that is true. All right, I'm going to just pick a random number for x. Let's say, and I'm going to use the simplified version here. Let's say x is 10. All right, so I would do 4 times 10, which is 40, plus 5 more, which is 45. If I do that over here, 4 times 10 is 40, plus 5 more is 45. And 45 is equal to 45, so that means x could be 10. But maybe let's say I wanted x to be 2. I'm just going to scribble over that. Then I would have 4 times 2, which is 8, and 8 plus 5, which is 13. I'll also get 13 on this side. 13 is equal to 13. So that means 2 could be a value of x. So basically, if we get the same number on both sides and we get a true statement, that means any number can be x. It can be a positive number or a negative number. It can be a fraction or a decimal. So every single number that we know of so far could work for x. So it's called all real numbers or all real solutions, but we're going to abbreviate it with the word many. It's easier to type that way because there are many possibilities for the number x.